It is an organized chaos inside Tinker's KC-135 facility.
It's really intricate with what we do.
But here, taking apart and completely rebuilding the refueling tanker is just another day in the office.
It is hard to find another base that can do what we do. The amount of work we do and the time we do and the efficiency that we do it in.
Alongside scheduled maintenance,
it feels really good to see something in the sky that I've worked on.
Comes a unique sense of pride for Belinda Blakely.
It makes me really proud because I know that they can refuel those other jet fighters.
Pride felt too on the opposite side of base.
Yeah, it looks good.
Where maintenance on the Air Force's newest refueling tanker just set up shop, KC-46.
It's got some of the most powerful engines on a commercial derivative aircraft, and the versatility. It can, from the cargo role to the aerial refueling role, and it can do 3 jobs at the same time. That's just an amazing airframe.
The KC-46's 2020 arrival has been a shot in the arm for Tinker. With 4 hangars built, 10 more to go, it's safe to say the future here has never looked better.
We have everyone from about every facet of life here, but everybody works for the common goal to take care of the warfighter. And it's a neat harmony that you don't see in a lot of workplaces.
At Tinker Air Force Base, I'm Clayton Cummings.